Hello everyone, how are you? So today I'm going to show how to set up your Microsoft Azure, Microsoft 365 SMTP setup in WordPress website. So in this work you need to a plugin. This plugin name is WP Mail SMTP Pro. Basically, WP Mail SMTP is free plugin, but free plugin not support your Microsoft Azure or Microsoft 365 functionality. That's why you need to buy Pro. If you need to buy Pro plugin, then you can get my video description. I will send referral link. Okay, let's start. So you need to, first of all, you need to go setting. Here is setting. Then see, here is Microsoft 365, and here is NIST or application ID and application password. So you need to go your portal.arzos.com here, and here is you need to search app registration. Yeah, this one. Okay, then you need to create new registration, and you need to select this one. Third one is Skype. Then here is setup a name. You can use any name. Then you can select here web. Then you can go to here. This is your redirect URL, and you just paste here, paste, and redirect URL, paste, and go to click here, and it's create your application ID. Here is your application ID, just copy and you can paste it. Okay, let's go. Then we need to application password. Then you can go to again, and here is all Azure's user here. Then you can certificate and credential. Then you can create new credential. Here is you can name any name. I just paste WP SMTP, and here is the convent 24 month, then 8. Okay, the credential ID is okay. Then you can just copy value, not secret, just copy value and paste it here. Here I just paste, and you just save. After save, you can allow this plugin send email using Microsoft account. Just you can click and go to your login your Microsoft account. Here is my Microsoft account, and you can click here accept. Okay, my SMTP setup done. Now we need to test this SMTP working or not. Okay, additional where is test mail. Okay, email, smart routing. I don't see where is send test mail forever. Okay, no problem. Let me test this form, like test and test. Okay, let's see this mail is received or not. Okay, go to my mail. Okay, where is my mail? Apps and all apps, Outlook. See, my submission mail is coming. So let's in this tutorial I just show how to set up Microsoft 365 SMTP. So if you need to help set up this 365 SMTP and Pro plugin, feel free to hire me. I can help you. Bye bye.